Hello and welcome to the revision video on blood from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please like, subscribe and comment to support the channel. The human body contains about 4.7 to 5 litres of blood. Blood is a tissue because it contains cells with a similar structure and function. Blood contains plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. Blood can be separated out using a centrifuge, and these are the layers that form. So the top layer is plasma, the middle layer is white blood cells and platelets, the bottom layer is red blood cells. Plasma. This makes up about 55% of all blood, and it's a straw yellow colour. The blood cells, such as red and white cells, along with the platelets, are suspended in the plasma. Many other substances are dissolved in the blood plasma. Plasma's main role is to transport substances around the body. The blood plasma will transport substances such as carbon dioxide from the body cells to the lungs, urea from the liver to the kidneys, and glucose from the small intestine to the body cells. The red blood cells transport oxygen around the body. The red blood cell has a biconcave disc shape. This means that it is indented on both sides as shown. This will increase its surface area to volume ratio for the diffusion of oxygen. Red blood cells do not have a nucleus. This gives them more space to carry hemoglobin. Oxygen binds to the hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin when the red blood cell is near the lungs. The red blood cell will then transport the oxygen as oxyhemoglobin. When the red blood cell is near the tissues, the oxyhemoglobin breaks down to release oxygen for the body tissues. White blood cells form part of our body's immune system against pathogens. There are three main types. Phagocytes engulf the pathogen, in this case a bacterium, then use digestive enzymes to break down the pathogen. There are two types of lymphocytes. The first type of lymphocyte will produce antibodies, which bind to the antigens on pathogens. Once the antibody has bound to the antigen on the pathogen will then be killed. The second type of lymphocyte will produce antitoxins to neutralize toxins produced by bacterial pathogens. Platelets are fragments of blood cells. They are involved in the clotting of blood to seal wounds. This prevents blood loss and prevents pathogens from entering the body. When an area of skin is damaged, a soluble protein in the blood, fibrinogen, is converted into insoluble fibrin. The fibrin forms a mesh, which traps platelets, blood cells, forming a clot. This will dry to form a scab, sealing the wound. Thank you for watching. See our revision notes, the link is in the description.